Dates offer a variety of health benefits due to their nutrient-dense composition. Here are some key benefits of consuming dates. Rich in nutrients *. Dates are packed with essential nutrients, including fiber, potassium, magnesium, vitamins, especially B vitamins, and antioxidants like flavonoids and carotenoids. Boosts energy *. Dates are a good source of natural sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose, providing a quick energy boost, making them ideal for athletes or after fasting. Supports heart health *. The high levels of potassium and magnesium in dates help regulate blood pressure, while the fiber content helps reduce cholesterol, promoting overall cardiovascular health. Promotes bone health *. Dates are rich in minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, all of which are important for maintaining healthy bones and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. May support brain health *. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in dates may help reduce inflammation in the brain, potentially lowering the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's.